DJI, the industry powerhouse behind game-changing drones and pocket cameras, is now shifting its sights to the 360 degrees camera space, and it's no longer just speculation. Real, tangible evidence has surfaced, providing an inside look at a product that could redefine immersive content creation. The long-rumored DJI Osmo 360 is no longer just a whisper in the tech underground. Thanks to official FCC filings and visual confirmations, we now know the Osmo 360 is very real and very close to becoming official. It began quietly, as many DJI projects do, with faint signs of movement last October. But recently, prominent leakers like Hakasushi and Igor Bogdanov uncovered a gold mine. FCC listings, full-resolution product images, and user manual references. This isn't just some pixelated rumor. It's DJI's formal entry into the 360 degrees action camera world, with a device that aims to stand toe-to-toe with the likes of the Insta360 X3 and the long-delayed GoPro Max 2. Let's begin with the design, an area where DJI rarely disappoints. The images from FCC filings confirm a compact, dual-lens layout reminiscent of the GoPro Max. But there's more than meets the eye. DJI has implemented a 45 degrees mirror mechanism inside the Osmo 360, cleverly redirecting light to the sensors. This design, much like the Insta360 X3's internal setup, allows for better spatial optimization, giving DJI the ability to house powerful components without increasing the size. The leaked schematics and renderings further paint the picture of what we can expect. In terms of physical design, the Osmo 360 looks to prioritize mobility. Size comparisons suggest it will be smaller than the Insta360 X4 and about on par with the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, which should make it highly portable for daily use. A front-facing screen is visible in renders, perfect for vloggers and content creators who need live previews. The UI appears to include quick access settings, and the power button is placed in a familiar position, reinforcing DJI's consistent design language. Still, not everything is perfect. Some fans might be disappointed by the relatively small display and absence of a visible mounting hook in the leaked designs. Considering Insta360's Magic Stick feature is a favorite among its users, DJI may need to offer its own invisible mounting solution to compete. That said, the Osmo 360's strength could lie in its software ecosystem and compact build, two areas where DJI has historically delivered. Wireless connectivity seems to be a priority, too. The internal schematics show two antennas positioned on opposite sides of the device, likely to ensure stable file transfers and possibly even real-time streaming. That opens up interesting possibilities for creators, particularly those doing live 360 broadcasts. Digging deeper into the FCC documentation, we see the Osmo 360 referred to by its code name, OQ1. It's officially listed under SC DJI Osmo Technologies, confirming its legitimacy. The product underwent testing in early September, which aligns with DJI's typical pre-launch pipeline. The filing also shows a specific issue date, suggesting that the Osmo 360 might launch in the final quarter of the year, potentially right before the holiday season, a prime sales window. Looking back at DJI's track record, their cameras consistently deliver excellent results, whether in drones or action cams. It's hard to imagine the Osmo 360 being an exception. The real question is whether it can outshine or even replace the Insta360 X4 in creator workflows. Time will tell, but the leaks make one thing clear. DJI is coming in strong, and they're not just experimenting, they're aiming to dominate. While the Osmo 360 takes most of the spotlight, there's another DJI device quietly generating buzz, the DJI Pocket 4. And if early rumors are accurate, it could be one of the biggest generational leaps the Pocket series has ever seen. Rather than just incremental upgrades, the Pocket 4 is expected to introduce meaningful changes across every aspect: design, performance, and usability. The most significant rumor points to a brand new rotating 2.5-inch touchscreen with 800 nits of brightness. Compared to the Pocket 3's 2-inch display, this marks a notable improvement for framing shots and navigating menus, especially in bright environments. The screen resolution is also expected to jump to 480 by 800, making visuals sharper and UI elements clearer. Ergonomic enhancements are reportedly being introduced too, with better grip texture and improved button placement, making the camera easier to hold for longer shoots. Performance-wise, the Pocket 4 could feature a powerful 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering sharper visuals, better low-light capability, and a much broader dynamic range. Paired with a 20mm f/2.0 lens and enhanced ISO range up to 16,000, this sensor setup could allow creators to capture stunning visuals, day or night. Color science will also get a boost. Leaks mention 10-bit color depth with support for D-Log-M and HDR video capture, allowing for more flexible and professional-grade post-production. These specs place the Pocket 4 dangerously close to pro-level compact cameras, all in a device that still fits in your pocket. Autofocus is expected to be significantly improved, incorporating phase detection and eye tracking for smoother, more reliable focusing. A new image processor will reportedly handle advanced computational photography, real-time HDR previews, and faster frame rates, making this a dream tool for fast-paced creators and mobile filmmakers. One of the highlights is the rumored support for 4K video at 240 frames per second, doubling the slow-motion capability of the Pocket 3. Combine this with new Active Track 7.0 features and enhanced gimbal stabilization, blending mechanical and digital stabilization, and you're looking at a camera that could outperform much larger rigs. Battery life is also getting attention. With a redesigned power management system and possible support for 25-minute fast charging via DJI's PD charger, creators can expect longer, more reliable recording sessions without the usual overheating issues. The Pocket 4 is projected to release in late 2026 or early 2027, aligning with DJI's established 3-year product cycle. Pricing is rumored at $699 for the base unit and $799 for the creator combo, making it a premium but feature-packed investment for serious content creators. To wrap it all up, DJI isn't just stepping into new territory, they're rewriting the rules. The Osmo 360 represents a strategic and innovative expansion into immersive content creation, while the Pocket 4 shows DJI's commitment to evolving their most portable video tool into something truly next level. If these devices launch with even half of the leaked specs and features, 2025 and beyond could be a very exciting time for creators, vloggers, and filmmakers looking for high-performance tools that fit in their pocket or palm.